Hi there. I'm Dave Browning. I'm candidate for the United States Congress from the 6th District of Missouri. For those of you who do not know where that is, that's the northwest quadrant of Missouri. I'm a lawyer. I'm a solo divorce lawyer. It's what I do. It's what I've done for 30 years. And every once in a while, something comes up that just gets my goat and I want to get it off my chest. Well, we get a thing on Fridays called Esquire. It comes in your email and it has all the cases and what the bar is talking about. And that's a good thing. Esquire is a really good thing. It helps you keep up and keep in touch with what's happening. There are new rules being proposed in Missouri. And one of those rules affects electronic advertising by lawyers. And that rule is providing that each electronic ad has to be deposited with the Chief Disciplinary Counsel of the Missouri Bar when it is first published. Now, the Missouri Bar has historically been opposed to advertising. And I believe that this is being done as a restraint on trade because it doesn't only apply to Missouri lawyers. It applies to any lawyer whose ad happens to run in Missouri. I live in the country. I get satellite television. I get television ads from all over the country. But these gentlemen now in New York and Massachusetts and California will be subject to having their licenses revoked because the Missouri Bar, who has historically acted in restraint of trade by Missouri lawyers, did not like the advertising they used. That is unconstitutional, unwarranted interference with free trade. And I oppose it. And I hope that you would oppose it. I hope you would understand that when the powers that be tell people what they may and may not say, or tell them that they must turn in copies of what they have said, then there is an assumption, despite what the rule says, which the rule says it's not required that the Chief Disciplinary Counsel review these ads. Oh, come on. That's the biggest bunch of hokum I ever saw. They absolutely mean to take those ads and force their review and force discipline on attorneys who use television and radio ads of a more untraditional but effective nature. This affects the ability of you to find out about legal services. It affects the ability of your friends to find out about legal services. And it essentially promotes the power of the powerful. So, who's doing this? The Missouri Bar is a function of the Missouri Supreme Court. So the Missouri Supreme Court is attempting to restrain free and fair trade in Missouri. So what can you do? Vote against them. Some of them come up for retention in November. They won't have any opposition. You can only vote yea or nay, keep them or fire the bums. I'm saying that they will never learn to follow the Constitution until the voters force them to do so. And the only thing that will force them to do so is for you to vote no. So please, this November, on your Supreme Court choices, vote no. I'm Dave Browning. I'm candidate for United States Congress from the 6th District of Missouri. And I need your help, and I need your vote. Thank you very much.